Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve or determine what does user not found mean on Instagram. So typically that actually means that the account you're trying to access has either been deleted, deactivated, banned, or maybe you've been blocked by that user. However, there's also a chance that your account is just private and you might need to just make it visible or make it visible to other people. So maybe other people are commenting to you that your account is saying it's not found. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make your account public, see if that resolves the problem. You may want to check your blocked user settings too. That's a different tutorial, but you might want to look into that as well. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So select your profile icon, the bottom right corner of your Instagram account, and then select the hamburger icon, the top right. You want to go and select who can see your content, account privacy. You want to select that, and you want to make sure private account is turned off or toggle to left and grayed out. You want to make sure your account's basically public. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, most cases, there's really nothing you can do about it. There's probably like one of those other situations I mentioned. But again, if you're getting feedback from other people that they can't see your account, you might want to look into this option here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.